All right, so we're going to get started in just a moment here. So find a comfortable spot to sit. Test, test, test. You can sit in a chair or on the floor. And we're going to begin with breathing. So make sure wherever you're seated, you're sitting with your spine straight, shoulders relaxed. And close your eyes if you'd like. We're going to begin by slowly inhaling through our nose, filling our lungs completely with air, and then slowly exhaling through our mouth, squeezing out all of the air. As you exhale, imagine you're fogging a mirror with your breath. When you're ready to inhale, go ahead and inhale. Follow your breath. When you're ready to inhale, inhale. Fill your lungs completely with air. And on the exhale, squeeze out all of the air. As you inhale, allow your abdomen to expand. And as you exhale, allow your navel to contract toward your spine. Follow your breath. With each inhale, feel your spine is getting longer as your head reaches for the ceiling. And as you exhale, feel your shoulders relaxing and feel the ground under your hips where you're sitting. Now in the next inhale, we're going to inhale through our nose as we raise our arms and hands above our head, palms together if you can reach. And when you're ready to exhale, we're going to exhale through our mouth as we lower our arms and hands down. Try and synchronize your movement with your breath, inhaling up. And when you're ready, exhaling down. Now in the next inhale, when you're ready to exhale, turn your torso to the left side as you exhale through your nose, lowering your arms and hands down. When you're ready to inhale, turn your torso back to the center. And when you're ready to exhale, turn to the opposite side as you exhale through your nose, lowering your arms and hands down. So we're breathing through our nose, inhaling up. When you're ready, exhaling down. Alternating sides as we exhale. Try and synchronize your movement with your breath. One more time on each side. And when you're done, bring your hands to prayer posture in front of your chest. Take a moment to inhale and exhale, relaxing your shoulders, relaxing your elbows, palms together in this balancing mudra. Breathing through your nose. Now, keeping the palms of your hands together, we're going to inhale through our nose and reach our fingertips as high as we can. And when you're ready to exhale, bring your hands back to prayer posture. But at the end of the exhale, point your fingertips down, flexing your wrists as much as you can. When you're ready to inhale, reach and lift. Breathing through your nose. When you're ready to exhale, coming back down. Follow your breath. Focus on synchronizing your movement with your breath. Inhaling up and exhaling down. One more time in each direction. And when you're done, bring your hands to prayer posture. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and straighten our arms out in front of us with the palms of our hands touching. And we're going to inhale, allowing our straight arms to move back, bending our wrists so our fingers are pointing in, reaching back as far as you can on the inhale. And when you're ready to exhale, we're going to point our fingertips away as we exhale our straight arms back so that our wrists are touching. Follow your breath, inhaling out, fingertips are pointing in, flexing our wrists on the inhale, straight arms, reaching back as far as you can. And when you're ready to exhale, flex your wrist, point your fingertips away, bring your straight arms back, wrists touching. Follow your breath, slowly inhaling and exhaling, synchronizing your movement with your breath. One more time in each direction. And then bring your straight arms together, palms touching again. Now this time, we're going to inhale and reach as far back as we can. And when we exhale, we're going to wrap our arms around our chest, grab our shoulder blades with our hands, relax your elbows and shoulders, and lower your chin to your chest, and breathe through your nose. Now notice which arm is on top. Lift your chin, inhale, reach as far back as you can, and on the exhale, put the opposite arm on top. Grab your shoulder blades with your hands, relax your shoulders and elbows, and lower your chin to your chest. Now lift your chin, inhale one more time, reaching back, and exhale, bring your arms down in front of you. Take a moment to inhale and exhale through your nose. Now from here, we're going to do a seated cat-cow. So I'm going to turn sideways. You can sit on something if you'd like. I'm going to take it out. If you're seated, you can have your legs straight in front of you like this, and you would take your hands and place them under your knees so that you have something to help guide you as we move. You can also cross your legs as we do this, and if your legs are crossed, just rest your hands on your knees. So sitting up straight, we're going to breathe through our nose. As we inhale, we're going to lift our chest, tilting forward, lifting our chin. And then when we're ready to exhale, we're going to tilt back, holding our knees to help guide us back, arching our upper spine as we pull our navel in and lower our chin to our chest. When you're ready to inhale, we're going to lean forward, arch our lower spine as much as we can as we lift our chin and chest. Again on the exhale, tilting back, pulling our navel in, arching our upper spine, lowering our chin to our chest. Follow your breath. Inhale as you lean forward and lift. Exhale as you tilt back and lower your head. Move within your range of motion, using your legs to help guide you. One more time in each direction. And when you're done, just sit up straight and relax. Take a moment to inhale and exhale through your nose. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and get into a tabletop position on all fours. So spread your knees, separate your knees apart, place your knees under your hips. Take your hands with your fingers spread wide apart and place them under your shoulders for stability. So this is tabletop. Our neck and spine are parallel to the floor. And from here, we're going to inhale and reach our right fingertips up toward the ceiling as we rotate our torso to the right side of the room, lifting as we inhale And when you're ready to exhale, take your right arm under your left and relax your right shoulder and ear down. When you're ready to inhale, lift, reach, and twist. Again, on the exhale, coming down under our left arm, relaxing our shoulder and ear. Follow your breath. And on the next exhale, we're going to keep our right shoulder and ear down on the ground, relaxing on the exhale. Continue breathing through your nose, inhaling and exhaling. If you'd like, you can lift your left fingertips up toward the ceiling and allow your left arm to drape down behind your back. And you can grab your right hip with your left hand if you'd like. Again, keeping our shoulder and ear on the ground, breathing through your nose. And if your left arm is behind you, reach your left fingertips up toward the ceiling and bring your left hand back down to the mat for support. And then we're going to inhale one more time, lifting our right fingertips up toward the ceiling. And exhale, coming back to tabletop position. Take a moment to inhale and exhale through your nose. And we're going to switch to the opposite side. So now we're going to inhale and reach our left fingertips up toward the ceiling. Reach, lift, and twist. As you exhale, take your left arm under your right. Relax your shoulder and ear on the ground. Keeping your hips in the air as we do this. Inhale, lift, and reach, and twist. Exhale when you're ready. Follow your breath. Now on the next exhale, we're going to keep our left shoulder and ear down on the ground as we relax and breathe through our nose. And if you'd like, you can lift your right fingertips up toward the ceiling and allow your right arm to drape down behind your back. Grab your left hip with your right hand if you'd like. And just breathe. Inhale and exhale through your nose, relaxing your shoulders. And if your right arm is behind you, lift your right fingertips up toward the ceiling and bring your right hand back down to the mat for support. And now we're going to inhale again one more time, lifting our left fingertips. And exhale back to tabletop position. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and step our right foot forward into a lower right lunge. Check that your right knee is above your right ankle. And when you're ready, bring your torso vertical to the floor with your hands in prayer posture. Now, as we do this, try and scoop your hips under you to open up your left hip. So we're scooting our hips under us as opposed to behind us. And as you do that, you might feel, if you sit a lot during the day, you might feel a little tension in the front of your left hip. Hands in prayer posture, inhale and exhale through your nose. If you'd like, you can move your arms near your ears and reach your fingertips up toward the ceiling You can look up at your hands if you'd like, or straight ahead, however you feel comfortable. And if your arms are above your head, inhale, reaching up. And exhale, bring them back to prayer posture in front of you. And then inhale, make a circle with your hands. Exhale, as you pull your navel in, bend forward. Place your hands on the floor next to your right foot. Push the floor away as you pull your right foot back. And bring your left foot forward into a lower left lunge. Check that your left knee is above your left ankle. And when you're ready, bring your torso vertical to the floor with your hands in prayer posture. Again, remember to try and scoot your hips under you. Inhaling and exhaling through your nose. And if you'd like, you can move your arms near your ears and reach your fingertips up toward the ceiling. And if your hands are above your head, inhale, reaching up. And exhale, bring them back to prayer posture in front of your chest. And then inhale, make a circle with your hands. Exhale, as you pull your navel in, bend forward. Place your hands on the floor next to your left foot. Push the floor away as you pull your left foot back into tabletop position. Now from here, we're going to pull our navel in toward our spine. And then we're going to go into puppy pose, where we're going to walk our hands forward, keeping our fingers spread wide apart, keeping our hips in the air as we lower our torso and forehead down. Breathing through our nose. Relax your neck and shoulders. And then pull your navel in as you walk your hands back to tabletop position. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and step our left foot forward into a lower left lunge. Check that your left knee is above your left ankle. And when you're ready, bring your torso up vertical to the floor, hands in prayer posture. Inhale and exhale through your nose as you scoot your hips under you, opening up the front of your hip, releasing any tension you may feel. Again, if you'd like, you can move your arms near your ears, reaching your fingertips up toward the ceiling. And if your hands are above your head, inhale, reaching up. And exhale, bring them back to prayer posture. Then inhale, make a circle with your hands. Exhale as you pull your navel in, bend forward. Place your hands on the floor next to your left foot. Push the floor away as you pull your left foot back and bring your right foot forward. Check that your right knee is above your right ankle. And when you're ready, bring your torso vertical to the floor with your hands in prayer posture. Scooping our hips under us as we do this, lifting our chest, breathing through your nose. Again, if you'd like, you can move your arms near your ears and reach your fingertips up toward the ceiling. And if your hands are above your head, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, bring them back to prayer posture. And then inhale, make a circle with your hands. As you exhale, pull your navel in, bend forward, place your hands on the floor next to your right foot. Push the floor away as you pull your right foot back and come back to a tabletop position. Take a moment to inhale and exhale through your nose. Now from here, you can do puppy pose again, or you can do downward dog. If you're doing downward dog, check that your fingers are spread wide apart, your index finger is facing forward, your shoulders are rotated so that your biceps of your arms are facing forward, and your elbows are facing toward your thighs. Get onto the balls of your toes, and we're going to go ahead and push our hips into the air, relaxing our neck and shoulders, and then alternate, lifting the heels of our feet off the ground, keeping our knees slightly bent as we do this. Again, relax your neck and shoulders. And then when you're ready, just pause, keeping your knees slightly bent, and breathe through your nose. And then release, come down, bring your knees back to the ground, bring your hands back to tabletop position. And we're going to sit back in child's pose. So go ahead and separate your knees wide apart. Bring your feet together and lower your hips toward your heels, and then lower your forearms and your torso and forehead all the way down, and breathe through your nose. And then lift your head, straighten out your arms, and come back up to tabletop position. And from here, we're going to go ahead and bring our feet under our body with our knees bent. Inhale your hands together above your head as you stand up. And then exhale as you lower your arms and hands down by your side. Okay? Now from here, we're going to do at least one set of Surya Namaskar. So what you'll do is stand at the front of your mat with your feet under your hips. So they're separated a few inches, arms by your side. I'm going to turn sideways. And we're going to inhale, reaching our hands up toward the ceiling, breathing through our nose in everything we do. Exhale, bring your hands to prayer posture in front of your chest. And then inhale, reach your straight arms by your ears as you lift your chest, tighten your gluteal muscles. And exhale as you pull your navel in, bend forward, relax your neck and shoulders, hands to the outside of your feet. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Then bend your knees slightly, place your hands or fingertips to the floor as you step your right foot back. Lower your right knee and the top of your right foot. Inhale and exhale as you lift your chest and gaze forward. Then lift your right knee off the ground, step your left foot back, and you can be in a half plank with your knees on the ground or a full plank. If you're in half plank, inhale and then exhale as you lower your torso down. Inhale as you lift your chest off the ground in a baby cobra. Your arms should be next to your torso. Exhale as you lower your hips toward your heels. Inhale as you come forward and take a full breath as you go into downward dog. Inhale and exhale through your nose. Then inhale as you come forward into a plank or half plank. And then step your right foot forward, lower your left knee down to the ground, lower the front of your left foot. Inhale and exhale as you lift your chest and gaze forward. Then lift your left knee off the ground and step your left foot forward. Relax your neck and shoulders. Bend your knees slightly as you inhale, your arms by your ears. Tighten your gluteal muscles as you lift your chest. And exhale, bring your hands back to prayer posture. And then lower your hands by your side. One more time, inhale, reaching up. Exhale, bring your hands to prayer posture. And then inhale as you move your straight arms by your ears, tighten your gluteal muscles as you lift your chest. Exhale as you pull your navel in, bend forward, hands to the outside of your feet. Relax your neck and shoulders. Bend your knees slightly, step your left foot back, lower your left knee and the top of your left foot. Inhale and exhale as you lift your chest and gaze forward. Then lift your left knee off the ground. Step your right foot back into a plank or half plank. Inhale and exhale as you lower your torso down to the ground. Inhale as you lift your chest off the ground in a baby cobra. Exhale as you push your hips back toward your heels. And then inhale as you come forward into a downward dog. Take a full breath. Inhale and exhale through your nose. And then inhale as you come forward to a plank or half plank. And then step your left foot forward. Lower your right knee to the ground, your right foot. Inhale and exhale as you lift your chest and gaze forward. Then lift your right knee off the ground. Step your right foot forward. Relax your neck and shoulders. Bend your knees as you inhale your arms by your ears, lifting your chest. And exhale, back to prayer posture. And then lower your arms by your side. Now from here, we're going to go ahead and sit down on the mat with your knees bent and feet separated. Move your arms parallel to the floor. Lift your chest as you inhale and exhale, slowly bringing your spine down to the ground with control. And then separate your arms parallel to your shoulders with the palms of your hands facing up toward the ceiling. Now, walk your feet under your knees as much as possible and pull your navel in toward your spine. Now walk your feet to the outer edges of your mat so your knees are separated. Keeping your shoulders on the ground, take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, allow your knees to relax to the left side as you turn your head to gaze at your right hand. And then inhale as you bring your knees and your head back to the center. Exhale as you allow your knees to relax to the right side and you turn your head to gaze at your left hand. And then inhale as you bring your knees and your head back to the center. Pull your navel in, walk your feet under your knees one more time. And then walk your feet to the outer edges of your mat. With your knees separated, shoulders on the ground, take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, allow your knees to relax to the left side one more time as you turn your head to gaze at your right hand. And then inhale as you bring your knees and your head back to the center. Exhale as you allow your knees to relax to the right side and you turn your head to gaze at your left hand. And then inhale as you bring your knees and your head back to the center. Pull your navel in, move your arms down next to your torso, and then walk your feet under your knees again. Lift your left foot up toward the ceiling, and we're going to make a circle in one direction, slowly rotating our ankle in one direction. And then pause, and then rotate in the opposite direction. And then pause. Now take your left leg and bend it so that your left ankle and shin are above your right knee in a figure 4. Relax your left leg, relax your left foot. Now from here, we're going to lift our right foot off the ground, take our hands between our legs and interlace our fingers behind our right shin. Relax your right leg, relax your right foot, and then take your left elbow or forearm and relax it on the inside of your left thigh. So our fingers are interlaced behind our right thigh, and our left elbow or forearm is relaxing on the inside of our left thigh. With our legs and feet relaxed, take a deep breath through your nose. And as you exhale, gently pull your right thigh toward you, and at the same time, use your left elbow or forearm to push your left thigh away. Make sure your legs and your feet are relaxed. Breathe through your nose. And then release, lower your right foot down, take your hands from behind your right thigh and straighten out your left leg, reaching your left foot up toward the ceiling, and then bend your left leg, place your left foot on the ground, and reach your right foot up toward the ceiling. Now take a moment to slowly rotate your right ankle in one direction. And then pause, and we're going to move in the opposite direction. And then pause. Now take your right leg, bend it, and place your right ankle or shin above your left knee into a figure 4. Relax your right leg, relax your right foot. Then lift your left foot off the ground. Take your hands between your legs and interlace your fingers behind your left thigh. Relax your left leg, relax your left foot. Place your right elbow or forearm on the inside of your right thigh. Make sure your legs and feet are relaxed. Now take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose. And as you exhale, gently pull your left thigh toward you. And at the same time, use your right elbow or forearm to push your right thigh away. With each exhale, we're gently pulling and pushing simultaneously. Relax your legs and feet as you do this. And release, lower your left foot down, straighten out your right leg, reach your right foot up toward the ceiling. And then bend your right leg, place your right foot on the ground. And now we're going to reach both feet into the air. And then reach our hands up toward our feet. Bend your legs and grab the outer edges of your feet with your fingers or hands. And then we're going to pull our feet down into happy baby pose so that our knees go to the outside of our arms and torso. And then we're going to alternate, lifting our feet, rocking side to side, giving your spine a nice massage. You can also rock lengthwise along your spine, moving within your range of flexibility, breathing through your nose. If you fall out, get back in. Releasing any tension you may feel. And then inhale your hands and feet up toward the ceiling. And exhale as you relax and lie down on your back for our final pose of the evening, which is Shavasana. So Shavasana is a conscious relaxation. So lie on your back, close your eyes, separate the heels of your feet and allow your toes to relax to the sides. Move your arms a few inches away from your torso with the palms of your hands facing up toward the ceiling. With your eyes closed, focus on your breathing. As you inhale, allow your abdomen to expand. And as you exhale, allow your navel to contract toward your spine. Relax your jaw, relax your neck, relax your shoulders, relax your arms and your wrists, relax your fingers, relax your hips, relax your thigh muscles and your knees. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your ankles and toes. Focus on your breathing. Observe your breath becoming deeper and longer as your body relaxes. Now wiggle your toes and your fingers. And then slowly bring your hands above your head and stretch your body. Then bend your knees and bring them close to your chest and rock side to side. When you're ready, move your body to one side and take a few deep breaths through your nose. And then go ahead and push yourself up to a comfortable seated position. So we'll end the practice with a breathing exercise. We're going to inhale through our nose as we raise our arms and hands above our head. And then we'll exhale with a strong, fast breath, breathing through our mouth as we quickly lower our arms and hands down. We'll do that 3 times, and then we'll end with a final 4th breath. So go ahead and inhale. Strong exhale. Again. Again. Now this time inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose, but bring the palms of your hands together. Pause at your third eye for kind thoughts. Pause at your lips for kind words. And pause at your heart center for kind intentions. Namaste. Well, thank you for joining, and I hope you benefited. Please like and subscribe. Good night.